Hello everyone, this is Teacher J, Excel in PSLE Math, question number 31. The figure below is made up of rectangle PQRS, and square QTUR. 一个长方形，一个正方形。The ratio of the length of the square to the length of the rectangle is 4 to 7. Ratio 比例 ratio. So if the area of the square QTUR is 256 square centimeters, find the area of the rectangle PQRS. So if length of the square 4 units, so 4x centimeter. Then length of the rectangle 7x centimeter. 4 to 7. 4x 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 7x 7x. Okay, then area of square, the name of the square QTUR equals 4x times 4x. 16 times x to the power of 2, but the question tells us 256. So 16 times x to the power of 2 equals 256. X squared equals 256 divided by 16. 256 divided by 16. 256 actually is a perfect square. A perfect square here. So x equals the square root of 16, 4. 1x is 4. Then the question asks the area of the rectangle PQRS. So 4x equals 16 and 7x equals 4 times 7, 28. And 28 is the length of the rectangle and 16 centimeters is the breadth of the rectangle. 28 times 16. Answer is 448 square centimeters. 448 square centimeters. Okay? Thanks for watching this video.